What's up everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will quickly review the Digital Essentials clear case for Nintendo Switch, purchased from Five Below. This is a clear plastic case designed to cover the console to protect it from damage. There are definitely some pros and cons, and it may or may not be usable for you. Opening the box, there are 7 pieces. A cover for the main body that contains the screen, a 2-piece cover for one Joy-Con, a 2-piece cover for the other Joy-Con, and 2 thumbstick covers. First, let's install the main body cover. It just snaps on. It installs easily and is a great fit. All of the necessary speakers, buttons, ports, and accessories are open. It's a nice cover. Next is the Joy-Con cover. It is a 2-piece cover that snaps on together from both sides. And there is a rubber thumbstick cover. It likely just adds thickness back on to account for the additional thickness added by the clear cover. The procedure is the same for the other Joy-Con. These covers are a very nice fit and leave all of the necessary buttons exposed. Now let's assemble the Switch. Everything clears, and the cover is great as shown in this configuration. Let's move on to some functional issues. First, the Joy-Con release buttons are not easy to access with the extra thickness of the cover. I'm using this rod to help push the release buttons in far enough for them to work. The Joy-Con caps slide on no problem, but they're not protected by the covers. Again, the release buttons are difficult to press down far enough to remove the caps. With the covers installed, the Joy-Cons cannot be installed into the full-size controller. The clear covers will need to be removed. And last, with the covers installed, the Switch fits tightly into the docking station and does not connect. The Switch does not charge or connect to the television. Here is a view without the cover. It easily drops in and charges. So, if you plan to always use the Switch like this and charge it with a cord, the cover is very nice. However, if you plan to use the full-size controller or docking station, the cover will not work. I will personally not be using this cover because I use these features, and repeatedly removing and installing the covers is not at all practical. So, that wraps it up. I hope you found it helpful. Subscribe for more how-to and review videos. Drop any comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.